Hi there, welcome to Advanced Valve and Instrument. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace a spring return cylinder on a knife gate or pinch valve or other linear valve with a pneumatic air accumulator. We have a couple components here I'd like to talk to you about. We have a 10-inch knife gate, wave valve with a double acting pneumatic cylinder. We have our air accumulator, which is going to store our excess air, kinetic energy, to be able to fail this to a closed position. We have an ASCO 3-way solenoid. This allows us to control air going to a 4-way solenoid, which is being piloted. This will allow us, if you will, to fail the valve on loss of electric signal. And the 4-way, the blue valve you're seeing here, is a pneumatic valve, and that will allow us to fail this knife gate to closed on loss of air supply pressure. Let's first use the solenoid. We'll send a signal to it, and we will allow the valve to open. This is the normal energized position for this knife gate valve. You may hear air rushing into the accumulator. And using this switch, we can demonstrate what it would be like if we lost plant electricity, what would happen to the valve. As you can see, if we cut electricity to the solenoid, we are going to fail the knife gate to its closed position. Now the fail position on these can be set up for either fail open or fail closed. Totally a customer preference. Now that the valve's closed, we're going to use electricity to open it one more time. And when we get that valve to the fully open position, we'll take a look and see what happens if we were to lose air pressure at the plant. Here we go. Let's cut our air supply and see what happens. Now that the air supply is cut, you don't hear the air rushing to the accumulator. The only air is actually coming from the accumulator to the valve cylinder. And this will close the valve in pretty much the same time that it would take to open it or close it normally with the plant air supply. There we go. Fail closed, loss of electricity and loss of air, but much less expensive than using a large, cumbersome spring return cylinder. Stay tuned, we'll have more video topics coming up, and if there's any questions, please email us, Bryce, B-R-Y-C-E, at advancedvalve.net, or phone us at 1-800-284-2293. Thank you.